Bioinformatics is a multidisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, statistics, and information technology to analyze and interpret biological data. Some of the main areas of bioinformatics include genomics. Genomics involves the study of the structure, function, and evolution of genomes. Bioinformatics plays a crucial role in genomic analysis, including genome sequencing, assembly, annotation, and comparative genomics. Transcriptomics. Transcriptomics focuses on the study of gene expression patterns and RNA molecules present in cells or tissues. Bioinformatics tools are used for analyzing gene expression data, identifying differentially expressed genes, and understanding gene regulatory networks. Proteomics. Proteomics involves the study of the structure, function, and interactions of proteins. Bioinformatics helps in the identification, characterization, and quantification of proteins, protein-protein interactions, and protein function prediction. Metabolomics. Metabolomics aims to analyze and understand the metabolites present in biological systems. Bioinformatics tools are used for metabolite identification, pathway analysis, and integration of metabolomics data with other omics data. Structural bioinformatics. Structural bioinformatics focuses on the analysis and prediction of protein structure and function. Bioinformatics tools and algorithms are used for protein structure prediction, molecular docking, and drug discovery. Systems biology. Systems biology aims to understand biological systems as a whole by integrating and analyzing large-scale biological data from multiple sources. Bioinformatics helps in the construction of biological networks, modeling of biological processes, and simulation of biological systems. Pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics combines genomics and pharmacology to study how genetic variations influence an individual's response to drugs. Bioinformatics is used for identifying genetic markers associated with drug response, analyzing pharmacogenomic data, and developing personalized medicine approaches. Evolutionary biology. Bioinformatics plays a vital role in studying the evolution of species, phylogenetics, and comparative genomics. It involves the analysis of DNA and protein sequences to understand evolutionary relationships and trace the history of genetic changes.